In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the slug in Zendesk. First, let's quickly clarify what a slug is in Zendesk. The slug is the part of your Help Center URL that usually represents your brand or subdomain. For example, in a Help Center link, it's the piece that comes right after the protocol and before Zendesk or your custom domain. Changing this can be useful if you've rebranded, renamed your product, or just want your Help Center URL to look more professional and consistent. Before you start, make sure you're logged into Zendesk with an account that has administrator permissions. Only admins can change key settings like this, so if you don't see the options I mention, double-check your access level, or ask your account owner to grant the necessary permissions. Now, from your main Zendesk dashboard, look for the admin section. Depending on your interface, this might appear as a gear icon or as an admin center link. Go ahead and open that. Once you're in the admin area, navigate to the section that controls your Help Center or guide settings, as this is where Zendesk keeps the configuration for the support site, including the slug. Inside your Help Center or guide settings, you'll see information about your Help Center URL. This is where you can find the current slug. Look for a field that shows the subdomain or URL portion used for your Help Center. Zendesk may label this as the subdomain, host mapping, or Help Center address. But the idea is the same. This is the part you're about to change. Carefully type in the new slug you want to use. Keep it simple, readable, and aligned with your brand name. Avoid special characters and spaces. Usually, lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens work best. Once you've entered the new slug, save your changes. After saving, Zendesk will update the URL associated with your Help Center. This means your old Help Center links may no longer work, so it's important to test the new URL in a separate browser tab to make sure everything loads correctly. If you share Help Center links in documentation, emails, or within your product, you'll want to update those to use the new slug. Finally, give your team a quick heads up about the change so they know to use the updated URL going forward. And that's it. You've successfully changed the slug in Zendesk.